Right, so today's job is installing some sub panels so that we can feed some inflatable jacuzzis. Sub panel in there, electrical connection there, run wire under the caravan. Put an outdoor outlet on so that we can plug a jacuzzi into it, and that's times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so I'm just pulling the conduit through now. It goes underneath the static over to here. I've got a lead tied to it so that I can pull it back, and that's how much cable I need. Right, cable to the socket in. Over to here, and now we're going to put that socket on the back of that post so this unit can be plugged in. And there we go. That's the socket side installed. Now we're going to go over and do the distribution point. Right, so box in. MCB, RCBO. Nice job, I don't know whether you can see that. And now I've got to repeat this 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3.